Good morning. It's been a while, hasn't it? Good morning. It's been a while. I'm in Hong Kong now. And, yeah. I have just checked into my hotel for my 21-day quarantine. It's gonna be hell. And I just received this. And it's my breakfast. Apparently every day they're going to deliver free meals for us, and this is my breakfast. They deliver it at 8, yeah. And then I'm gonna see what it is now. Here's the box. Let's see what is in there. Oops. Whatever. Right, so no. I'll still eat it, obviously. It's time to close the door and sleep. We can't forget my baby llama. His name is Bacardi, everyone. Me and my girlfriend raised her. Good night. Well, if you ask me how I'm doing for these couple of days so far, I believe I'm on day 3 right now. I already lost count because of jet lag and everything. And well, I think I'm doing quite well. I mean, this room is quite good. I've got the TV, I've got a couple of chairs and tables. I can play my Switch and, I can read and work since I have a table. But for my last quarantine hotel room, I've legit just got a bed, not even a table, not even a chair, and the whole room is filled with ants. Toilet is filled with hair. It's disgusting, and I had to live there for 14 days. But I've been living here for 3 days now. I'm fine with it. So everything's honestly really just going well.
That they do have a very difficult, challenge, and I get that. No, I'll get on to the question, but I don't think that anybody who's sitting and constantly trying to make troubles for this sector. Everybody recognized the critical importance it has. At the date that should be able to reunite, but unfortunately that's not where we are today.
You're a low budget. In the future, people will think twice about flying. You know, this might not just be something that goes away. This might be...
Check in COVID cases of 事件4標籤資料，發現其中4款冇喺包裝上面列明成分，強調生產商。
You see, my mom would send me random stuff. Yeah, you get like chocolate milk, and some snacks here. Got some pork chop, but randomly you have like a jar of soup. Well, I got so much milk. My mom still sent me this. Like, it expires in 2 days. I'm not complaining, but I just can't drink it all because I don't like to waste food. But whatever. I feel like at this stage of my whole vlog or whatever you call it, this video, it's about me showing you food. So here you go. I guess this video is just about food. Oh, what the fuck? I guess this video is just about food then. Talk about food, I have my dinner here. It's not like, you know, I've got nothing to do. Well, I've got nothing to do. It's just, you know, you're in a room for 21 days. There's really not much you can do. You can't have guests coming up. All you do is eat or read and work. And it's not like, you know, any of you guys want to watch me work or eat. So, you know, if the most variation is pretty much me showing you different food I can order into this room. So yeah, I'm not surprised if this little video is gonna just turn into a food video. So hey, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Take it or leave it. Okay, I'll be eating now. Dun, 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 dun. Figgy banana. Fig banana. We got fig banana. Fig banana. Who doesn't like fig banana? And we've got some sexy shrimps here. Or prawns. Yeah. Amazing. That's a fake ass banana. Yo, look at that. Whoa. if you're stuck inside, well, I'm stuck inside anyways, in a rainy day, I highly recommend you listen to songs like specifically for In the Rain. Or if not, I would recommend you go to this site called Drive and Listen. So this is Drive and Listen. I think it's amazing. You can choose here all the places you want. I chose Tokyo. But if you choose, yeah, you can choose day, night, and afternoon. I prefer the city one. You can have street noise on, and you can just listen to some radio from Japan or any other places.
はい、長田拓也がお送りいたしました。今日も皆さんにとってハッピー。
Yeah, it's really calm. Really calm. Considering I'm reading something from Tokyo.
FM 放送用のラジオがない場合はテレビを利用することができます。
Spring rolls. It's waiting beside my window. What do we have here? Oh, this is so heavy. No, I have to put it here. I've ordered more water and more tissues. How kind of them. Now I'm gonna have to line them up. Yo, we got a feast tonight. Let's go. I'm gonna bring them over for display. First up, we've got 2 bubble teas. Both of them are brown sugar milk. Beautiful. And then we got our sushi. We have I don't know what do you say in English. I'm pretty sure it's like fish eggs. And we've got salmon. Some cream soda, and this is our cold udon set. Brilliant. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. So they're going to swab my nose now. I'm just waiting for them to knock my door, and I'm going to be sitting here right in front of the door. There's going to be a bin, a Hong Kong ID, and then they're just going to do the whole swab. And then, I would say it's quite intimidating how they have like a machine just like standing right in front of you. I'm gonna sanitize my hands. So yeah, basically you have like a full machine right in front of you. It looks like it's going to suck your soul away, but it's not. I have no idea why it's there. But they've just swabbed my nose, collected the sample, and well, that's it. That's honestly it. I've done 2 of these, counting this one. Basically, I'm going to have my third one on the 30th, I believe, and then a few more days, and then I'll go back home. So yeah, today is the 12th day, I believe. Yeah, but that was alright. It wasn't that much. Guys, we have 1 more week to go. Just 1 more week. And then we'll be good. We can finally leave this room. I mean, it's not bad. It's seriously not bad. It's fine. But for me, who is an extrovert, I need to go out and explore. You know. So, we're getting there slowly. So this is like French toast, and then there's actually some custard in there. It's amazing. It's spilling out. Oh my god. Oh, it's beautiful. It's amazing. I love it. So you see that right there? That's not mine. I took it in and I asked all my family members, did anyone send me anything? They said no. So I would have eaten it, but first of all, I'm too full. Second of all, it's not mine. I don't eat something that's not mine because I know someone paid for it and got it delivered. And if I find out someone ate others people's food, someone ate my food, I would be furious. And my friends know that if you eat my food, I will kill you. But yeah, today there's really nothing going on. Still a couple of days, like 1 week left. I'll survive. I hope so. This is traditional Hong Kong breakfast, and I fucking love it. It's amazing. The smell is just beautiful. So I have a quick restock of water. Nice. This is Yoshinoya's breakfast. So you can see the hash browns, and you've got beef and everything in there. That is a breakfast to Asian people, and you know, don't be surprised. We eat a lot for breakfast, so we can boost through our day. That's our work ethic, at least, I think. Also, it is less than a week now. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, today is Sunday. I'm leaving after Friday, midnight after Friday, so legit on Friday when the clock hits 0000, I'm able to check out, and I'm going to be leaving at that time because staying in a hotel for 20 days, 20 nights is insane. I cannot do this anymore. But now, from now on, it's all just counting down. You see, now we're on Sunday, tomorrow's Monday, so we're counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until Friday, and then we're done. And then you don't have to watch my stupid vlog anymore. But yeah, we're getting there. We're gonna do this, and I'm gonna survive, and I'll see you guys soon if there's anything interesting. For the people who wonder what my ideal breakfast is, well, nobody asked, but I'm just gonna answer that question. It's pretty much satay aoyok, which is satay beef, and then with an egg, and then whatever noodle. This time I chose Nissan noodles, but then I sometimes prefer udon, and then, you know, Ovaltine, cold Ovaltine at the side. That's my ideal breakfast, in case you're wondering. Nothing yells out Monday even more than this. While I was eating those, I was watching a guy who just got his finger chopped off. My God, no. I woke up so late at 11 that well, last night I had my breakfast over there, but I was going to eat breakfast that I just got this morning because I woke up at 11, and then half an hour now they gave me lunch already. Nearly there. It is 2:30 nearly in the AM, and I'm not sleeping yet. I'll count this as day 18 because I haven't slept yet, so yeah, I need to sleep. I'm editing the video for you guys. Well, it's technically for no one to watch. Good night, everyone. Morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, which means our practically the third last day of staying in here. I'm going to do my COVID test today. I'm trying to eat as quick as possible because it's 10 and they're coming in about an hour-ish, I guess. So I'm trying to eat my breakfast as soon as possible, and then, well, you know the drill. And yeah, I'm very excited. We're nearly there. We've got this. It's today and tomorrow, and then we're done. Today, tomorrow, and then Friday, and then Friday midnight I'll be leaving. Oh, something I want to mention that is my toilet door is quite creepy. Like, for example, if I'm sitting there on the toilet and I then close the door full enough, the door just opens itself. Fucking hell, it's like someone just walks in. But then you see no one there. I'm in quarantine. There's not supposed to be anyone, so yeah. Creepy. So, as you can see, there's like one strand of hair coming out. Well, there's a couple, but this hair is so annoying to my non-existent beard, so I'm gonna cut it right now with my scissors. But I can't even. Oh god. What? Okay, take two. This is so hard to calibrate. And there you go, it's gone. Some random hair sticking out. There you go. Bye bye. That counts as shaving, right? Dinner is so nice. For tonight, our dinner is sushi from McDonald's. What a good combination. And then I'm gonna, just watch stuff. Alright. Last day, not last day, last night, let's go. Oh, you see? Breakfast. Let's go. Something else I want to mention is that, you know, I'm so lucky to come back because Hong Kong banned anyone from UK entering the Hong Kong. Even Hong Kong citizen. Hong Kong banned all UK entry, no matter who you are. So my friend who's still in the UK couldn't make it back. Which is sad because I was thinking of seeing him for summer and I haven't seen him for a year, so poor guy, but we must go on. My last supper has arrived. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's beautiful. It is 9:40. I have packed most of the stuff. I'm getting ready to go. I mean, I've got like 2 hours and 20 minutes left. So we're getting there. Let's go. I just packed everything. It is what's the time? It is 11:45. 15 minutes till I can legally go out. As you can see, I packed everything. Hopefully I didn't leave anything here. I have kindly put up all the trash. I've cleaned everything. I've just put all the trash into one big bag because I am responsible and I'm a kind person. Everything is neat and I'm ready to go at any time, honestly. Now it's just to wait for time to pass. I will see you when I go. Guys, we did it. It is midnight right now and I need to call reception to let them know I'm checking out and then someone would escort me. Hello, I want to check out. Oh, sure, thank you. They told me to just wait in the room. That was creepy. Oops. Let's go. We're ready. Oh, just want to say thank you for everything, for following me through my 21 days. I'm home now. We made it. It's been such a long journey, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.